Hi everyone, welcome to my salon in Sweden. My name is Vera and this is my beautiful model Catherine. Today I'm going to show you my version of the 1960s retro hair trend. We're doing this with various tools and products from the new StyleSign. We're going to create a strong volume in the roots and a glamorous flowing shape in the lengths. To create a strong volume and a good grip at the roots, we use Root Boost Spray from StyleSign. Root Boost Spray is a great option of product if you want to combine a strong volume in the roots with soft lengths. The aerosol foam formula makes it easy for us to apply the product exactly where we want it. We work through the hair in wide section to evenly distribute the product in the root area. We will now apply Bodifying Control Mousse to the lengths to get a long-lasting but airy hold, a lot of shine and heat protection from the blow dryer. We're now going to blow dry the hair in 2 steps. First a rough dry to get the hair almost dry and then a blow dry with a round brush to create our shape. Divide the hair into 2 large parts, one in the crown area and one in the neck area. In the crown area we work with horizontal section from the front to the back, fasten the hair with a clip at its own base to create additional volume. In the nape area, we work our way in vertical section from side to side, fasten the hair with a clip down in the neck to cool down. The hair has now cooled down properly and it's time for us to create our shape. We're doing this with Varis Detangling Brush. As finished product we use weightless shine oil and compressed working hairspray. Compressed working hairspray is a finished spray with a medium hold and a lot of shine. It now comes in a new and climate smart package. This is a great choice of product for updos since it doesn't become sticky. So I hope you liked the result of our 1960s retro hair updo. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.